Lesson: Basics of Network Security. Network security encompasses the policies, procedures, and technology that protect the integrity, confidentiality, and accessibility of computer networks and data. As we delve into the basics of network security, it's essential to understand key concepts such as threat models, security mechanisms, and the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing security measures. Network security starts with understanding potential threats, which can be categorized as internal or external, deliberate or accidental. Internal threats often arise from within the organization, such as employees who may unintentionally compromise security or malicious insiders who deliberately exploit vulnerabilities. External threats include hackers, cybercriminals, and state-sponsored actors who may use various tactics like phishing, malware, or distributed denial-of-service attacks to breach network defenses. According to Verizon's Data Breach Investigations report, 34% of data breaches in 2019 involved internal actors, highlighting the importance of comprehensive internal security measures. To combat these threats, several fundamental security mechanisms are employed. Firewalls are one of the primary defense tools, acting as a barrier between trusted internal networks and untrusted external networks. They filter incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined security rules. Intrusion detection systems and intrusion prevention systems are also critical, as they monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and potential threats. While IDS alerts administrators to potential issues, IPS goes a step further by attempting to block or prevent the detected threats. Encryption is another pivotal aspect of network security, ensuring that data transmitted over networks is unreadable to unauthorized users. The use of protocols such as secure sockets layer and transport layer security helps protect data in transit, while technologies like virtual private networks provide secure communication channels over public networks. In addition to these traditional measures, AI is increasingly being integrated into network security to enhance threat detection and response capabilities. AI-driven security systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a security threat. Machine learning algorithms, a subset of AI, can be trained on historical attack data to recognize new and evolving threats, allowing for faster and more accurate responses. For instance, AI can power advanced threat detection systems that utilize anomaly detection to identify deviations from normal network behavior. This capability is particularly useful in identifying zero-day attacks, which exploit previously unknown vulnerabilities. According to a study published in the Journal of Information Security and Applications, AI-based anomaly detection systems have a higher accuracy rate in detecting network intrusions compared to traditional methods. Moreover, AI can automate routine security tasks, such as patch management and vulnerability scanning, freeing up human resources to focus on more complex security challenges. Automated systems can quickly identify and apply patches to known vulnerabilities, reducing the window of opportunity for attackers. Additionally, AI-powered tools can continuously scan networks for potential weaknesses, providing real-time alerts and recommendations for remediation. The integration of AI in network security also extends to the realm of user behavior analytics. By analyzing user activities and behaviors, AI can detect unusual patterns that may indicate compromised accounts or insider threats. For example, if an employee's account suddenly begins accessing sensitive data at unusual times or from unfamiliar locations, AI-driven systems can flag this activity for further investigation. Despite its numerous benefits, the use of AI in network security is not without challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for adversarial attacks, where attackers manipulate AI algorithms to evade detection or cause false positives. To mitigate this risk, it is crucial to implement robust AI training and validation processes, ensuring that security models are resilient against manipulation. Another challenge is the ethical and privacy implications of AI-powered surveillance. While AI can enhance security, it also raises concerns about the extent to which user data is monitored and analyzed. Organizations must balance the need for security with the protection of individual privacy, adhering to legal and ethical standards. In conclusion, The basics of network security encompass a range of strategies and technologies designed to protect networks from internal and external threats. Traditional security measures, such as firewalls, IDS, IPS, and encryption, form the foundation of network defense. However, the integration of AI is revolutionizing the field, offering advanced capabilities in threat detection, response, and automation. By leveraging AI, organizations can enhance their security posture, staying ahead of evolving threats while addressing the challenges associated with AI implementation. As the landscape continues to evolve, a comprehensive understanding of network security principles and the role of AI is essential for cybersecurity professionals.